Hi, you guys. How are you this morning? It's Monday. I was just thinking about the class, thinking about y'all. You're supposed to be posting based on the film. Doesn't look like anybody did yet. What's up with that? Come on, you guys. 128. That would be tomorrow. You must watch the film and you must post. But also I want you to bring one of the top 25 from the book, right? So I'm holding up the book so you can see. La 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 la. Here's the book. You're going to open to chapter 1 that you're supposed to read anyways. And you're going to look at those top 25 stories, la-di-da-di, and you're going to bring one in. One that just made you mad. U.S. women face prison sentences for miscarriages, page 43. What the heck? I'd probably bring that one. So bring one, okay? So you bring one story that stood out to you, that made you go, what? That you didn't know about. Because that's the whole point of this book, is that you're learning things that you wouldn't learn about in corporate media when you flip on Fox or whatever the heck you're watching. And hopefully you're going to stop watching Fox, by the way. Like, if I can do anything in this class, it would get you to stop watching Fox. Sorry to say that. So don't forget to post. Don't forget this part of your grade, half your grade, half. All right? We'll see you on Wednesday. Today's Monday, so that's in 2 days. And I hope you're well. Take care.